In the world of Linux distributions, some projects chase popularity, some chase corporate support, and others chase pure technical elegance. Void Linux belongs to the last category. It is one of the most unique Linux distributions in existence, and in 2026 it continues to stand apart from almost everything else in the Linux ecosystem. While mainstream distributions like Ubuntu, Fedora, and Linux Mint dominate headlines and beginner recommendations, Void Linux quietly builds a reputation among advanced users, developers, and minimalists who want full control over their systems without unnecessary complexity. To understand why Void Linux is so interesting in 2026, we first need to understand what makes it fundamentally different from most Linux distributions. Unlike many popular distros, Void Linux is not based on another distribution. It is completely independent. That means it doesn't rely on Debian, Arch, Fedora, or any other upstream Linux project for its core structure. Everything from its package management system to its build infrastructure is developed specifically for Void Linux. This independence gives the distribution a level of flexibility and purity that many enthusiasts appreciate. Void Linux was originally created by Juan Romero Pardins, a developer who previously worked on NetBSD. His experience with BSD systems influenced the design philosophy of Void Linux in important ways. Instead of copying the common Linux approach used by most mainstream distributions, Void chose a different path, focusing on simplicity, speed, and transparency. Even years after its creation, that philosophy continues to shape the distribution in 2026. One of the most distinctive aspects of Void Linux is its init system. While the majority of modern Linux distributions rely on system to manage services and system processes, Void Linux uses Runit. This small but powerful init system is known for being extremely fast and simple. In a typical system-based distribution, the init system handles a massive range of responsibilities including logging, networking, device management, and service supervision. Systemd has become the standard across the Linux ecosystem, but it is also criticized by some users for being too large and complex. Void Linux takes a completely different approach by using Runit, which focuses only on managing services. The result is a lightweight system that boots quickly and remains easy to understand. For users who prefer the classic Unix philosophy of small tools doing one thing well, Runit represents a refreshing alternative. In 2026, this choice still makes Void Linux attractive to people who want a system that feels closer to traditional Unix design principles. Another important element that defines Void Linux is its package manager, called XBPS, which stands for X Binary Package System. XBPS is designed to be fast, reliable, and simple to use. While package managers like apt, DNF, and pacman dominate the Linux world, XBPS has quietly proven itself to be one of the most efficient package management systems available. It allows users to install, update, and remove software with minimal overhead, and it handles dependencies in a straightforward and predictable way. One of the advantages of XBPS is that it supports both binary packages and source builds through the Void package build system. This means users can easily install pre-compiled software for convenience or build packages from source if they want maximum control or optimization. This flexibility is particularly appealing to advanced Linux users, who want the performance of binary packages while still having the power to customize their system deeply when necessary. In 2026, Void Linux also maintains a rolling release model. Unlike traditional Linux distributions that release new versions every 6 months or every few years, a rolling release distribution continuously updates its packages. Users install the system once and then keep it updated indefinitely without needing to perform major version upgrades. This ensures that software stays relatively current while avoiding the disruptive upgrades that sometimes occur with fixed-release distributions. However, Void Linux manages to keep its rolling release relatively stable by carefully maintaining its package repository. Updates are tested before being pushed to users, and the community maintains strict standards for package quality. The result is a system that delivers modern software without sacrificing reliability. For many users in 2026, this balance between freshness and stability is one of Void's strongest qualities. Another unique characteristic of Void Linux is its support for multiple libc implementations. Most Linux distributions rely exclusively on glibc, the enum library. Void Linux, however, offers an alternative build using Musl libc. Musl is a lightweight, security-focused C library designed to be simpler and more efficient than glibc. The Musl variant of Void Linux is particularly popular among developers who value minimalism and strong security guarantees. Running a Musl-based system can also lead to smaller binaries and improved performance in certain environments. This makes Void Linux especially attractive for container systems, embedded devices, and lightweight server deployments. In 2026, with the continued growth of cloud computing and containerization, Musl support gives Void Linux a valuable niche in modern infrastructure. Hardware support in Void Linux has also improved significantly over the years. Because it tracks the upstream Linux kernel closely, Void benefits from the massive amount of hardware compatibility built into modern kernels. This means that most modern CPUs, GPUs, Wi-Fi adapters, and storage devices work well out of the box. While Void may not provide the same level of graphical configuration tools as beginner-friendly distributions, the underlying hardware compatibility is surprisingly strong. Graphics drivers in particular have improved dramatically. Modern AMD and Intel GPUs work very well with the open-source drivers included in the Linux kernel and Mesa stack. NVIDIA support is also available through proprietary drivers provided in the Void repositories. For users interested in gaming or GPU computing, these improvements make Void Linux far more practical in 2026 than it was in earlier years. Gaming on Linux has undergone a massive transformation over the past decade, and Void Linux has benefited from that progress. Technologies like Proton, developed by Valve for the Steam platform, allow thousands of Windows games to run on Linux with impressive performance. Because Void Linux can easily install Steam, Wine, and Proton through its package system, it is capable of running many modern games without major problems. However, Void Linux is not specifically designed as a gaming distribution. Users who want a plug-and-play gaming environment may prefer distributions that include additional graphical tools and pre-configured settings. Void Linux instead offers a clean foundation that users can build upon. For enthusiasts who enjoy customizing their systems, this blank slate approach can actually be a major advantage. The desktop environment experience on Void Linux is also highly flexible. The distribution itself does not push a particular desktop environment. Users can install popular environments like XFCE, KDE Plasma, GNOME, Cinnamon, or lightweight window managers like i3, BSPWM, or OpenBox. This modular approach aligns with the distribution's philosophy of giving users full control over their system. Many Void Linux users prefer lightweight setups that emphasize speed and efficiency. A minimal installation with a tiling window manager can run extremely fast even on older hardware. In a world where many operating systems are becoming heavier and more resource-intensive, this level of efficiency remains appealing. In 2026, as hardware improves but software continues to grow in complexity, Void Linux reminds users that powerful computing does not always require massive system overhead. Another reason Void Linux has maintained a loyal following is its documentation and community culture. While it does not have the massive user base of Ubuntu or Arch Linux, the Void community is known for being knowledgeable and technically focused. Documentation is generally clear and direct, helping users understand not only how to configure their systems, but also why certain design choices were made. Community forums, IRC channels, and online discussions often revolve around solving technical problems and sharing efficient system configurations. This environment attracts users who enjoy learning about the deeper layers of Linux rather than simply using it as a consumer product. In that sense, Void Linux continues to embody the spirit of traditional open-source experimentation. Security is another area where Void Linux performs well in 2026. The distribution benefits from frequent updates, a minimal default installation, and optional Musl builds that reduce complexity in the system libraries. Because users often start with a relatively small system and add only the components they need, the overall attack surface can remain quite small compared to larger desktop distributions. For servers and infrastructure environments, this minimalism can be extremely valuable. Administrators can build highly customized server systems that include only the necessary services. Combined with Runit's simple service management, this can lead to systems that are easy to audit, maintain, and troubleshoot. Containers and virtualization technologies have also expanded the usefulness of Void Linux. Tools like Docker, Podman, and Kubernetes can all run on Void without significant issues. Some developers even choose Void as a base system for container images. because its Musl builds produce small and efficient runtime environments. In the age of microservices and distributed applications, this efficiency can translate into real performance benefits at scale. Despite all of these strengths, Void Linux is not a distribution designed for everyone. Beginners who want a fully automated desktop environment with graphical configuration tools may find it challenging. Installation requires some understanding of disk partitioning, system configuration, and package management. Although the installer has improved over the years, it still expects users to make several technical decisions during setup. For many enthusiasts, however, this learning curve is part of the appeal. Installing and configuring Void Linux can teach users a great deal about how Linux systems actually work. Instead of hiding system details behind graphical interfaces, Void encourages users to interact directly with configuration files and command line tools. This hands-on approach can transform the operating system into a powerful learning platform. In 2026, the broader Linux ecosystem continues to evolve rapidly. Corporate-backed distributions dominate enterprise environments, and beginner-friendly distributions aim to attract users migrating from Windows and Mac OS. Meanwhile, projects like Void Linux occupy an important space in the ecosystem by preserving the spirit of independence and experimentation that defined early Linux development. Another interesting aspect of Void Linux is its infrastructure for building packages. The Void package collection uses a template-based system that makes it relatively straightforward for contributors to add or update packages. Developers write simple template files that define how software should be built and packaged. This system helps maintain consistency across the repository while allowing contributors to manage thousands of packages efficiently. Because Void Linux is community-driven, this contribution model is essential. Volunteers maintain many packages, ensuring that the repository stays up to date with modern software. While the number of available packages may be smaller than what Debian or Arch offers, it is still large enough to cover most common use cases. Looking at the desktop computing landscape in 2026, it is clear that user expectations have changed. People want fast systems, strong privacy protections, and the ability to customize their computing environments. Void Linux aligns with these expectations in several ways. It avoids unnecessary telemetry, keeps the base system small, and allows users to shape their operating system exactly the way they want. Another growing trend is interest in long-term system stability without forced upgrades. Rolling release distributions like Void address this need by providing continuous updates rather than disruptive version changes. Users can maintain the same installation for years while gradually receiving improvements and security fixes. Performance is another area where Void Linux often surprises users. Because the base system is lightweight and free from heavy background services, it can run extremely efficiently even on modest hardware. Many users report faster boot times and lower memory usage compared to more feature-heavy distributions. This efficiency can extend to servers, laptops, and even embedded systems. Some developers use Void Linux as the foundation for specialized devices or custom computing projects. Its flexibility allows it to adapt to many different environments without forcing unnecessary components onto the system. The future of Void Linux also looks promising because of the resilience of its community. Open-source projects sometimes struggle when key maintainers leave, but Void has managed to survive leadership changes while continuing to evolve. New contributors regularly join the project, bringing fresh ideas and improvements. As the Linux ecosystem grows increasingly diverse, distributions like Void play an important role in maintaining philosophical diversity as well. They remind the community that there is more than one way to design an operating system. While some distributions focus on integration and automation, others prioritize simplicity, transparency, and user control. In many ways, Void Linux represents a bridge between traditional Unix ideals and modern Linux technology. It combines the reliability of a minimal system with the capabilities of the modern Linux kernel and software ecosystem. For users who appreciate elegant system design and technical freedom, this combination remains extremely compelling. By 2026, Void Linux may not be the most famous Linux distribution, but it continues to earn respect from those who value craftsmanship in software design. It proves that a small, independent project can still compete in a world dominated by massive corporate-backed platforms. For developers, system administrators, and curious Linux enthusiasts, Void Linux offers a unique environment that encourages exploration and mastery. It challenges users to understand their systems more deeply while rewarding them with exceptional performance and control. In the end, the story of Void Linux in 2026 is not about massive market share or flashy marketing campaigns. It is about a carefully crafted operating system that stays true to its principles while quietly evolving alongside the broader Linux world. For those who discover it and take the time to learn its design, Void Linux can become one of the most satisfying operating systems available today.